Hello, partners. My name is Renato Taco Andrade. I am bachelor student in mathematics, and today I am going to tell to you about the impact that technological development has had on the environment over the years on our planet. The environment impact that industries have had on the environment and natural resources is very considerable, not only because of the production growth, but also because the growth has been concentrated in sectors with high environmental impact. Residues from manufacturing process as well as the gases they emit have affected air and water quality with increasing severity among many other aspects. The two factors have grown much more due to the global consequence of all human action on the environment. One of the most serious consequences of all this has been global climate change. With rising carbon dioxide levels, the future of Earth could look like the hottest days of all. In this context, the need arises for a conscious and responsible study of the action of man on the ground in which he resides. Industries, despite having facilitated human life in terms of food quality and other comforts, have all left their mark on the earth and its ecosystems. For the prevention of risks derived from industrial pollution, I think that an effective integration strategy for sustainable development will be essential, where environmental protection is included in the economic and social objectives of each country, living in harmony with nature and leaving our children a healthy planet should be the goals of the entire world population.